6 ways to make money online. If you are one of the many people looking to make money online, there are many different avenues to choose from. How do you know which one will work best for you? This video will show you some of the most popular sources of online income and how you can get started with each of them today. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. You can find a company or product to promote and share links on your website, social media, or blog. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Freelancing. One great way to make money online is to start freelancing. You can offer your services as a writer, editor, web developer, or graphic designer. There are many websites that connect freelancers with businesses that need their services. Once you find a good fit, you can start working and earning money right away. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer's door. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business with little upfront investment. Plus, it's simple to set up and manage, and can be run on a part-time basis. Sponsored post. You can make money by writing sponsored posts on your blog. This is when a company pays you to write a post that promotes their product or service. Sponsored posts are a great way to earn money because you can choose which companies you want to work with and you can negotiate your own rates. Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is a great way to make money online. You can create and sell your own products or sell other people's products on Amazon. The best part about Amazon FBA is that you can start with just a few products and grow your business over time. Plus, Amazon takes care of all the shipping and customer service for you, so you can focus on growing your business. Selling digital information products. The great thing about digital information products is that you can create them once and sell them over and over again. You can also automate the entire process so that you can make money while you sleep. Plus, there is very little overhead cost associated with selling digital products, so you can keep more of the profits for yourself. These were just a few of the hundreds of ways to make money online. But remember, the most important thing in any business is perseverance. Don't give up.